Hi guys, welcome back to this concept-based YouTube channel to all my dear viewers. Today, I'll be explaining Axiom 6.1 and 6.2 of chapter number 6, which is lines and angle. And after this, we have Theorem 6.1 that will prove it today. Alright? Now let us start with Axiom 6.1. In Axiom 6.1, we can see that if a ray is stand on a line, then the sum of two adjacent angles so form is 180 degree. Means AOB is a straight line, and in this straight line, the measures of the angles that we got is 180 degree. But after if you draw it some ray, which we call it as OP, then this 180 degree will be divided into two parts, that is angle 1 and angle 2. Now, if you add this two angle, then the sum that you will get it will be 180 degree again. That's what Axiom 6.1 is meant to us. Alright. Then let us move to Axiom 6.2. In Axiom 6.2, if the two angles, that is angle 1 and angle 2, that is formed in this. Alright. If we add these two, and if it is able to get 180 degree, then we call AOB as a straight line. Alright, so this is actually Axiom 6.2 is meant to us. And then after that, let us move to Axiom 6.1. Sorry, it is Theorem 6.1. In Theorem 6.1, we have if two lines intersect each other, then the vertically opposite angles are equal. Means there should be two lines. You can take it any two lines like PQ, QR, and so on. Now here, for our convenience, let me take this one, A and B, and here it is C and D. These are the two lines, and they intersect each other at this point, which will be named as O. And after intersecting at this point, what it is, the theorem, actually vertically opposite angles are equal. What are the vertically opposite angle? This as well as this. 4 and 2. This and this should be equal, and 2 and 4 should be equal, right? If we can prove that, that means the theorem is proved. Alright? Means whenever there is two lines, that is that one as well as this one intersecting each other at the point O. And in that case, opposite angles should be equal. Alright? So that is what this Theorem 6.1 is meant to us. In order to prove this, first we need to write it. Whatever things that we took it from this, first AB and CD are the two lines. We need to mention this. Intersect each other at point O. And after that we have proof. To prove, what are the things that we need to prove here? We need two things. The first one that we need to prove is it is angle AOC equal to angle BOD, which is angle AOC, and after that we have angle BOD. What is the angle that we have? It is 4, and in case of BOD we have 2. So just replace it so that our calculations as well as the proof that we're about to proceed in the next step will be much easier, right? And after that, let us take another vertically opposite angle, which is angle AOD as well as angle BOC. What is angle AOD? It is angle 1. And after that we have angle BOC. What is angle BOC? It is 3. Let me name this as 2. And these are the two things which we need to prove it from this. Now let me start the proof. Here in both the cases, first let us write by using linear pair Axiom. Using linear pair Axiom, we have to solve this. Alright. Now if you add these two, the first thing that we need to prove it is 4 and 2. So in order to prove this, 4 and 2, first let us take these two, 4 and 3 and 2 and 3, right? Angle 4 plus angle 3, it will give you 180 degree, which is linear pair Axiom. And after that, angle 3 and 2, angle 3 plus angle 2, which will give you 180 degree. Now let us equate these two because the right hand side is same, which is 180 degree. If you equate these two, then it will be 3 equal to angle 3, angle 2. And after that, after cutting these two, we'll get angle 4 equal to angle 2. Thus, the first proof is over. Then, let me write here. The next step that we have is angle AOD as well as BOD, which is 1 and 3. Here we have 1, here we have 3. So let me take this one, angle 1 plus angle 4 equal to 180 degree. Actually, even in this case, we are using linear pair Axiom. That we already explained it in previous classes. And after that, we have angle 4 plus angle 3 equal to 180 degree. Now, if you equate these two, since the right hand side that we have is same, and after that, let us cut these two, and which will be angle 1 equal to angle 3, right? Now, we prove the two things. First, what is that? It is angle AOC equal to, what is that? Angle BOD. And after that, we have again 1 and 3. What is that? Angle AOD equal to, what is that? Angle BOC, right? Now the two proof which we need to prove in this so as to make the theorem true, we got it. Thus, we can write it as hence proof. I hope everyone can understand this. And if those of you guys can't understand this one, you can ask me in comment sections. I wish you all the best. Hopefully we'll see in the next videos. That's all for today. Thank you.